Welcome to App Junkie. App Junkie provides fast, easy and informative answers to your app-related questions. The subject that we'll be discussing in this video will be best free photo editing apps for iPhone. When it comes to photo editing, there are a lot of different options available, both paid and free. While the paid options usually offer more features and flexibility, there are plenty of free options that can get the job done just as well. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love taking photos, in this video, we'll show you our favorite free photo editing apps for iPhone. 1. Snapseed. Many of the best professional picture editing tools are overly complex and take a lot of time to master. However, Snapseed is simple to use, especially for beginners, as it combines the power of professional photo retouching with the convenience of a rich user experience. Snapseed stands out among mobile photo editors for its intuitive design and robust features. Also, users may publish your work to any and all social media platforms without ever leaving the app. Snapseed's ability to immediately compare the edited version of the photo to the original is one of its best features. When making edits, pressing and holding onto the image will reveal the original. After making your desired changes, simply release and look at the results. In addition to the standard image editing functions like cropping and fine-tuning, Snapseed also offers some really unique retro filters. A variety of color palettes are available in Vintage, each of which can have its own hue, saturation, style, and vignette strengths adjusted independently. Grainy film, just like the Vintage tool, may be used to add grain, but it also offers additional color customization. As the strength of the filter is increased, so too are the grain and the style. Finally, Black and White converts your color photos into black and white, offering a wide range of B&W settings and many more. 2. Afterlight 2. When it comes to altering photos, Afterlight 2 has all the tools you could possibly need. The Afterlight app provides you with several filters and modification options to improve your images. Textures, light leaks, and double exposure are just some of the editing options that will help you stand out. Images can be personalized with the addition of text, artwork, and frames. Users are encouraged to experiment with the Afterlight app's many features, tools, and filters. Afterlight's straightforward interface makes it simple to learn how to use all of the program's image editing features. The program's icons, tools, and filters are all clearly labeled and laid out. Afterlight's plethora of features, tools, filters, and photo settings make it possible for even inexperienced photographers to create stunning modified photographs. In general, the software is a powerful photo editor. Afterlight's minimalist interface features a library of filters and editing tools accessible via a selection of icons. Everyone from professional photographers to amateurs and iPhone photographers use Afterlight to perfect their images. 3. Picsart. Picsart is a photo editing tool that has multiple outstanding attributes that make it an extremely powerful tool. Users have the ability to create collages of all their wonderful experiences, add text emojis and filters to the photo, and share it with others. Users may also add their favorite audio to their collections of photos and apply new effects to images to make them look more beautiful. Users can also add trending hashtags, color exposures, and much more creative stickers. Downloading the program is completely free. However, compared to Picsart Gold, or the Picsart Team version will allow you to access more sophisticated features. One of the cool features of Picsart is the automatic or magic background remover. Picsart Background Remover uses AI technology to spot and eliminate distracting backgrounds in your photos. There are no photographs too complicated for it to handle. After achieving a backgroundless image, you may now save it as a PNG and let your imagination run free. If you're looking for a single app that can handle all of your editing and collage making needs, look no further than Picsart. 4. Canva. Canva is a rich photo editing tool that can be downloaded on iPhone or iPad devices. This app can be used in the classroom to produce high-quality projects that also serve to instruct students in the fundamentals of digital design. Educators and students alike can benefit from the streamlined interface of this photo editing program. Canva's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it suitable for use by students of all ages and abilities, including those with limited motor skills. It could be used in a variety of ways in the classroom, from group brainstorming to individualized project development. Students can find several online design templates at Canva to use as a starting point for their own creations. Because of this, they can give their full attention to the issue at hand rather than wasting time and effort learning how to use the technology. When creating a poster, for instance, you'll see a selection of pre-made layouts down the left side of the screen, followed by the main image, which you can alter on the right. When you click on it, a toolbar will display editing options. This dynamic response helps to maintain a clean, uncluttered interface. When utilizing the mobile app, it's especially convenient to be able to upload your own photos and videos. After finishing, you can either download the finished product, share it with others using a variety of social media optimized sharing options, or send the file to a commercial printing provider. Canva is a free tool that can be used for both personal and educational purposes. Despite its many useful features, Canva's Premium Pro and Enterprise plans give even more options and functions. 5. Facetune. Facetune is an excellent iPhone app for editing portraits and self-portraits. Photo editing software designed for professionals can be difficult to use for beginners, whether you're taking a selfie or a professional portrait. Facetune is an excellent, easy-to-use, powerful tool to make your photos seem their best. Comparable to Photoshop, but much simpler to operate. Selfie and portrait editing on the iPhone just got more interesting and potent. Users of Facetune can brighten or eliminate dark under-eye circles, whiten their teeth in images, enlarge their eyes and grin, alter their eye color, and even add eye details and reflections to make their eyes look more vibrant and alive. Users have access to professional tools that allow them to accomplish things like enlarge or reduce features, change the light source for optimal illumination, HDR quality for clarity, and remove unwanted glares caused by too much lighting. And also, Facetune gives the users control of temperature, brightness, and saturation to the overall photo. With just one click, users of Facetune can adjust and enhance their facial features. Photo editing apps are a great way to make your photos look their best, and there are a lot of them available for the iPhone. This article provided a list of the best free photo editing apps for the iPhone. If you're looking for more great free iPhone apps, like and subscribe to our channel.